Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best rubber leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So step one, we're going to select small businesses, and today we're going to Pittsburgh. I actually tried a couple of different locations for this rubber targeting, and you really have to be in like big cities for commodities. Um, just a little word of advice if you're searching for any other commodity industries. I'm just gonna leave this maybe like 20, maybe I'm gonna go up to 30. I feel like rubber manufacturers tend to be on like the outskirts of a city, so I'm gonna bring that up and I'm gonna add that. I'm hitting next to lock it in. We're gonna search up rubber. And with Coldlytics 2.0, we get this nice little sanity check. So these will be like the companies you'd see, um, on your lead sheet. So this like going to investigate these. If these aren't what you like, you can change around the search term. But I'm fine with rubber for now, so I'm going to add that, and I'm going to select next to lock it in. And we're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We specifically just want the owners, but in case the owner has a C-suite title, this will account for that case. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. And with sort of commodity businesses, like we have to think about this as like, I am looking for a commodity business to either sell or buy something. So it's different than like being a digital marketing agency and trying to sell your services to these companies. So with that being said, we're looking for more sales filters, and revenue is always a good indicator. I usually go 500K. That just shows that the company has like revenue and it has maturity. And you don't want to work with a company who's like struggling to pay the bills because 1 month you could just be the person not getting your money when they're trying to cut. So yeah, 500K is kind of the base I set when I'm filtering by revenue. I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and then we also want to do date established. And I feel like a rubber company, we're not gonna want anybody that's like at least not 20 years old. So 2024, we're gonna go back to 2004, and I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. And finally, in deliver, I'm gonna reset all these. Obviously, just add all these metrics. They're all really useful. But specifically, you're gonna want revenue, headcount, and data established. All this other stuff is more like is more for digital marketing agencies. But you never know what data point can help you make your sale. So just add all of them. Direct to dial, we're not gonna add because it doubles our credit required. So we're just gonna leave that one out for now. So next, and we're not gonna add anything for the additional notes. Make sure to give it a title, set your context required, save a draft in case you have to go back and change something, you're not starting from scratch. And with that being said, I'm going to launch this. This should bring us back to our task overview. And as you can see, it's allocating, which means that your leads will be ready in 24 hours. And with that being said, thank you so much, guys. That's how you find the best rubber leads using Coldlytics. Have a great day.